In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Chick-Fil-A gift card on Doordash. Now, usually this doesn't work from the Doordash app directly, but what we can do is download the Chick-Fil-A app from the App Store, and then we can use Doordash as a third person. So if that doesn't work, what we can do here is just load up the Doordash application. We'll click on Me, found in the bottom right corner, and then we need to go to the settings. So click on settings and then go into gift card. So after we have gone to gift card, here you will see an option called redeem. So click on redeem, and here's where you will type out your Chick-fil-A gift card code. If it accepts it, then we can go back here and we can order from Chick-fil-A. So if I just search for Chick like this, it's going to show me Chick-fil-A. And if we make an order from Chick-fil-A, then the amount should automatically be applied. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.